Good morning, sirs and madams. This is the file of the course completion status, and in this I have made some recent changes which I'd like to notify you about. So I have already linked the subject names with their respective folders. So you can just open the subject folder relevant to you under your name by clicking on this and clicking on this link right here. So this will open the same folder which is placed in your own personal folder, and you can start dumping all your subject related files here itself. The second thing we have done is we have added links to these checklist points. So if you want this signed copy of Xeroxes, you can just click on this and click on the link here. That will open the signed copy of Xerox, which you can copy, download and upload to your own folder for your reference. The next thing is, similarly, whatever other formats or samples were available, we have kept their links right here. So you can just click on that and open the link. It will open up the respective file, which you can either download and enter your data, or you can just go here and make a copy of the same. If you can make a copy of the same, you can add a different file name, your own subject, you can add here. And after that you can change the folder to your own folder. Yeah. So you can go to your My Drive and your own folder. So in my case I have access to all the folders, so I can go here and add it to my respective subject. For example, I'm yet to start about CAD-CAM, so I'll add it there. And my subject is of course CAD-CAM. Fine. Mid marks. Question paper wise. So I can just change the name like this, and a new file will open up here, and this file will be created in my own folder. If you want to check where the file is saved, you can always click here. Yeah, the folder will appear here, and you can check where it is placed. You can also check where this folder is by going back and forward. And of course, even if you forgot to place it somewhere and you want to know where it is, you can always go to the recent files and we'll get all the recent files that you have created over here. So I hope this will be helpful to you. One last thing, the last thing we have changed is even the labs were added to the same list earlier, and we have changed the position of the labs to another tab, because the checklist points meant for lab, they were significantly different from the checklist file for the course file. So course file, all the tabs are here, and the lab checklist we have placed in a separate tab, which you can shift from the bottom here. You can start adding all the details for the lab related data over here. Thank you. If you have any doubts, of course you can let me know in the WhatsApp or in the comment section on my YouTube channel. Thank you.